you get up a phone, I walk. I want you to get the share this on Instagram on them. And that, try delete it.
Babes, what? We can't have my phone again.
Put on there. I chat to you, give me. That's a fuck. You don't wash, cook, clean, rice, and black.
Which paint and which sweep on them? What you talking about?
I chat to you, give me.
No.
I chat to you, give me.
No.
Let me show you something.
Yo, babes. Yo, you know you man, though. Yo, I can't wear a bag of beat. You just a beat me, so my girl. Every day you just a beat me. I'm tired of everything, my girl. Yo, alright, you know. Yeah, man, I generally in the street they beat me up. You cut me and cut you.
Big Ross, man, my ass. And I mean, mind you, bitch, where? You try reach back here because you don't wash my drawers. Stink.
Sunday, I want to touch him, but just see my God on the road and wiping face. I'm going up here.
The man, woman, stop coughing my you. I'm saying.
Yeah, that come like a Dragon Ball Z when two of them a fight, dog.
You mean when she fight him, bumbo clock that? You remember the episode when Goku fuck up Lord Slug, my you?
Yo, man.
There, man. There on the ends, man. So can walk on fear be.
Man, I like to give her some lick in there while I go in a man you. Because the girl going to show come tell man and this man in a man you.
Word?
Yeah, last one. You know man, I generally know that. Bad man, you. So not the. On the one, right, you know. Go back over here in a man you. I'm sure it's a bad man in that.
Sure.
You're the man that come in that. Chill day like this. Yeah.
Stand up right. Yo, Ostan, I'm telling you this. If you get beat me again, me and now yo right in a police station when I bring you back again. Get up and beat me, so
Let me tell you something. Who you feel it is?
No, you know your woman take over with your friend of my show off your color. Girl, do what you have to do, yeah?
Ostan, because he's not Ostan. Never me, I just shoot man.
You want to drive them yet?
No,
Get up. I'm tell I should know enough. Why? So I'm going to pay me. We asking.
No, it's not going to be.
Trying to make sure.